Today, many applications use AI by sending requests to an external AI provider. Your application sends a prompt, the provider runs the model, and the response is sent back. This is convenient, but it also means the model is running on someone else's infrastructure. Now, consider another situation. Your application may need to process sensitive information, and you want more control over where that data is processed. So the question is, what if we want to run an AI model on infrastructure that we control? That's where Ollama comes in. Ollama is a tool that makes it easier to download, run, and interact with compatible AI models. But there is one important distinction. Ollama is not the AI model. The AI model is what actually processes the input and generates the output. Ollama provides the software and interface that makes it easier to work with that model. So think of it this way. The model does the AI work. Ollama helps us run and communicate with the model. Let's see how this works in an application. Suppose we build an AI chatbot. A user sends a message to our application. Our application sends that request to Ollama. Ollama passes the request to the AI model. The model processes the input and generates a response. That response then goes back through Ollama to our application and finally to the user. Now, during development, you might run your application, Ollama, and the model on your own laptop. But when the application is used by real users, you can run Ollama and the model on a server or cloud infrastructure. Your users don't need Ollama installed on their devices. They simply interact with your application. Your backend communicates with Ollama, and Ollama communicates with the model running on your infrastructure. With an external AI provider, your application sends the request to the provider's infrastructure, where the model runs. With Ollama, we can run a compatible model on infrastructure that we control. This gives us more control over where the model runs and where application data is processed. Another important consideration is cost. With an external artificial intelligence API, you typically pay based on usage. As usage increases, those costs can increase as well. With a self-hosted model, you're not paying an external provider per request, but that doesn't mean running your own model is free. The model still requires computing resources. You may need CPU, memory, storage, and depending on the model, GPU resources. And you are responsible for managing that infrastructure. So the trade-off is fairly simple. With an external artificial intelligence API, we give more of the infrastructure responsibility to the provider. With a self-hosted model, we take more responsibility, but we get more control. Now, why is Ollama useful for developers? Once Ollama is installed, you can choose a compatible model and run it in your environment. You can interact with it directly through the terminal, but more importantly, Ollama also provides an API. That means your Python, JavaScript, Java, C#, or other application can send requests to Ollama programmatically and receive responses from the model. This makes it possible to build things like AI chatbots, assistants, document processing systems, and other AI-powered applications around models running on infrastructure you control. Of course, there is one more thing to consider. The model and the hardware both matter. A smaller model might run comfortably on a laptop. A larger model may require significantly more memory and more powerful hardware. So Ollama can make it easier to work with models, but it doesn't remove the computing requirements of those models. So basically, the AI model is the one doing the actual work. It processes the input and generates the response. Ollama is the tool that makes it easier for us to download, run, and interact with that model. We can run it locally while developing, or run it on our own server or cloud infrastructure when the application is being used by real users. So that is basically what Ollama is. It helps us run and work with AI models on infrastructure that we control.